Hi guys, Eric Hammond here with the Joy of Homesteading. I just wanted to mention the art of foraging for your homestead. So you don't have to produce everything on your homestead. If there's any local areas near you that you can get some of your food from and supplement your food sources, then it's a fantastic resource. So here I am, check this out. Pawpaws. There's pawpaws over there. This is a whole pawpaw grove in an area that's close to me. There's a spice bush understory. There's all kinds of stuff that you can forage from your local places, conservation areas, things like that. Just check your local laws, but don't forget the resources of foraging. These pawpaws, if you squeeze them, they're still pretty hard. You want them nice and soft. You want a soft pawpaw. And if they fall from the tree when you shake it, if you shake it gently, you don't just shake the heck out of it, then they're ready if they fall off. However, if they fall and they hit the ground and they bruise up and damage this fruit, you better eat it immediately. And there's really no good way of ripening them that I've found off of the tree. So if you guys got any tips for that, I'd like to hear them. But I've tried putting them in bags with other fruits and putting them in the sun and all kinds of stuff, and there just seems to be no good way of ripening these things. So let me know in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll just talk more about homesteading stuff. Thanks. Bye.